For 80 bucks, these are absolutely the best. Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air True Wireless Earbuds. It's a little bit of a mouthful, but these were 80 bucks. I picked them up at Target yesterday. You can actually also pick them up at Best Buy. They come in two colors, black, white. Like I said, I saw them at Best Buy a couple of days ago, but they didn't have the white version. So I headed over to my local Target and lo and behold, they had them. Like I said, 80 bucks. They look just like the AirPods. They're offering 20 hours battery life and water resistance, which is something the AirPods do not advertise. I believe the AirPods 2 are water resistant, but hey, they're 200 bucks. These are 80 bucks. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions and see how they compare. I don't have the AirPods on me, though I think that these will stack up pretty good. Okay, so it looks to me that you don't need to use any type of knife or anything to get these out of the box. Here we are, you open it up and you're presented with this very nice picture of a gentleman using them. And of course, to the right, you get the Anker True Wireless Earbuds by Soundcore. These are the Liberty Air. Let's go ahead and get into them here. I'm probably gonna have to destroy this thing. Not really. Okay, so here's the tape. And voila, you're greeted with the earbuds, but there's probably some more information, and right away you are greeted with a USB to micro USB charging cable, not USB Type-C, unfortunately. Another question that I had about these earbuds was, are they wireless charging compatible? So we'll have to find that out. I will go upstairs. I do have a wireless charger on hand. We'll go ahead and test them out. And what's really nice is in the box, you also get extra. Okay, so we'll put the box off to the side and bring the earbuds in. Got some tape on the back there. So right off the bat, they open right up and you get the Liberty Air. They don't look exactly like the AirPods, which is why it's not necessarily a bad thing. And actually, when you put them back in the case, they pretty much snap right into place and start charging. So let's go ahead and maybe do a sound impressions with these guys so that we can get a pretty good idea of how they compare to the AirPods relative to how they sound. So that one turns on, that one turns on. Okay, so I did an unboxing and a first impressions, but I had to step away for about 10 minutes to charge these guys up. These are very comfortable, by the way. I would absolutely recommend these to anybody, and the fact that they come with the ear tips so that they can fit basically anyone's ears is an added bonus. Would I say that they sound better than the AirPods? I think the AirPods might slight them out just by the tiniest measure, but for 80 bucks, you can't go wrong with these. One minor feature that I don't think that they have is wireless charging. So I went ahead and I brought my wireless charging case down. We're gonna go ahead and see if they charge wirelessly. And as it seems, they do not charge wirelessly. So that's one difference between these and the AirPods, is that the AirPods do have the wireless charging case. The first gen AirPods do not have the wireless charging case. So if you really want to compare these to the first gen AirPods, you can. Hey, for 80 bucks, these are absolutely phenomenal. 20 hours battery life, IPX5 rating, so they're sweat resistant. They charge via micro USB. As soon as you take them out of the charging case, they power on and connect immediately to the device that you have them connected to. For 80 bucks, these are absolutely the best AirPods alternative. You can pick them up at Target, you can pick them up at Best Buy. They come in black and white. 80 bucks, can't go wrong. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.